Well, my name's Steve Downey. I'm the Managing Director and Business Owner for Hannaman Material Handling. I've had the company for 2 years. I've been in business, I would say now 15 years on the whole. Before I came out and worked in business directly, I was in the forces for over 20 years. The biggest challenge to date, I would suggest that it was the taking over a company that had been going for 38 years and it had its ways of doing things. I think the biggest challenge is really to just bring it into the modern day thinking from a business perspective and getting systems, getting efficiencies in place and really getting a change in culture. I did get some support, I got some support from financing to be able to buy the business. Lots from some of the institutes such as Aldermore, and also a bit of help as well from the vendors with a bit of assistance from financial deferments as well. Best marketing advice I would give to a business, anybody going into business, is really to raise your profile. That's the first thing you need to be doing is getting the name of the business out there, getting people engaged with what you do as a business and making sure that they get to know the people within the business as well.